Right, so I got the accelerator spring thing done, fixed. We're now at Mick's house to get the last part of my baby, which is the bonnet, which I'm going to have to fit myself. But yeah, we'll see how we go. I think I got enough shit to make it easy enough. And yeah, it's not going to be the first time I've done it anyway. So sit back, relax, and yeah, let's get the fucking bonnet on. Hello. Yo, so here we are at the car wash. Gonna wash off all the fucking shit. It is fucking filthy cunt. Filthy cunt like you would not fucking believe. See if I can like prop my phone up here. There. I got no idea if you can see or what. Ding 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 ding. Come on. Oh yeah, I love the pokies here. Fucking always pay. Fuck yeah. Fucking no lose cunt. Like, what the fuck is splatter wax? Like, I don't know. If they had a fucking button for monkey piss on this thing, I reckon most people would put it on their car. Okay, so that's about it. We're just doing the spot-free rinse. Not that it means shit to me, it's just fucking water, isn't it? Like, what did they do different? It's come up alright. There's a few bits where the tree sap sat on it a bit long. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. But yeah, it's not the greatest, but there's a spot there. I don't know if you see that. Nah, for the most part, she's alright. I just got to keep doing this for fucking 4 minutes because it won't give me any money back. Alright, so we're all scrubbed up, washed. It's not perfect, there's a few tar spots and fucking shit from leaves sitting on it for too long. But I will get them off. Hopefully there's no bits of paint lifted. I had only noticed the tiniest bit, which isn't great, but we can live with that. Yeah, go back home for a bit now. and don't have lots left to do. I fixed that return spring. Accelerator's all sweet now. Yeah, I got to put some diff oil in it. Diff's a bit loud. That's about it. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll get the twin Webers sorted, the exhaust manifold sorted. It's developing a slight manifold leak the more I drive it, and not much else after that. Well, not for a while anyway. Gonna fork out for some coilovers eventually. Lower the rear end to match the coilovers. And probably throw away these mags in the end and find something a bit more, I don't know, tasteful. Yeah, tasteful. So, alright, I'll leave it at that. Yous have a great day. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my weekend through the middle of the week, and I will talk to yous when I get some more videos together. Enjoy!